We geek as fuck.
Straight up.
Say bitch to Los in here.
Woo. Sosa on the beat,
Say Los in here. Record squad.
Squad over
What
here.
beat, huh?
So boom, you're here with
Zone.
and motherfucking Jock, nigga, and we got a special guest today.
Who up, son?
It's Ressa.
Recipe, bitch.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's who we got here today. And we got a special edition. Niggas is eating today. What you got, bro?
I mean a little burger.
Little burger. What you got on your burger, bro?
Lettuce.
Man, Reds barbecue sauce tastes like nail polishes in it. Like, it's really trifling.
Damn.
Oh,
Don't eat all of it, though.
No, I'm just dipping my fries.
I got a little. Look at this. Y'all can't see it because we always for Paul when it's dark.
Ooh, your burger fries like mine. You should put cheese on it.
You gonna put cheese on yours?
I
Damn.
put cheese on mine.
Me too.
Dun, da, da, da.
Cool. Well, that's the little burger.
You got the big burger. Oh, wow.
You got
I
two
got the
burgers?
big burger.
You got a.
Big burger.
This nigga got two fatties.
So this is a motherfucking big burger, bacon, you know what I'm saying, lettuce, tomatoes, sauteed onions, cheese,
Just bite the bit.
nigga, A1 steak sauce, nigga. Hold on.
Let me get some ketchup.
America. America.
This shit good.
America.
She lost the fucking ketchup, bro. Can I use your ketchup? She lose ketchup, bro.
It's right here.
My fault, cousin.
I didn't even open it.
Mm.
Your ketchup cold as fuck.
Nigga.
This I'm trying to do too much at once. So, bro, what y'all want to talk about?
Let's talk about relationships.
Oh my god.
We just talked about those.
Hey, catch everybody's attention. Seriously.
What you want to talk
You
about?
gotta give the public what they want.
You right.
What y'all should have did was Instagram live and asked and then did the shit.
I don't have Instagram.
Why not?
My live be
Because I
slow.
think Instagram is
Y'all should
stupid.
jump on my shit.
We could talk about relationships. Since
My-
you brought it up, you got to start it.
Me? I'm just talking about these dusty ass niggas.
Oh. And
Don't get me wrong, females are around me too. Which is why I have no friends. So, there's that. What's one pet peeve but a nigga do?
I hate.
Everybody lie, but they just, I swear to God, niggas keep his life so fucking long. Even after y'all broken up, like, I still ain't do that shit. Like, fuck you. Keep it 100 with me. I just rather you keep it 100 with me than lie.
How you know he lying?
How you know he lying? Bitches play dumb as shit. If they in a relationship and they act like shit ain't going on and everybody else know, they playing dumb. Bitches stay in a relationship because they let a nigga, or his dick good, or he giving me money, or he gonna take care of my kid, or some dumb shit like that. Bitches play dumb to, reality. Every female knows when their dude is stepping out or doing anything. It's like this instinct, like you just get this gut feeling like,
I feel you.
I know you doing, I don't know what you doing, but I know you doing something, you being sneaky. After being in a relationship for so long, you learn that person. You know when they lying, like, you just learn certain shit about them. Like my dude, I already know when you lying. Like, you will try to what would he be doing? Like, I don't even know. I just know that nigga lying.
But you can't speak on bro when bro not here to defend himself.
Why not?
Because maybe my bro don't be
I
lying.
can't speak on my nigga. This nigga probably be talking about me to his bros. In his group chat, or when he mad, like,
His bitch.
when y'all mad, y'all talk to somebody else about the situation, right? When you mad about a bitch, you talk to Clea.
Yes.
Yeah. Nah, I'm serious.
Zone, you be talking to your niggas about your girl?
Ain't my hair. Not all the time, sometimes.
But
Sometimes, like, when it's funny as fuck, like, yeah. I'm
like when you having a problem, you don't talk to nobody about it.
not all the time. Sometimes, yeah.
I talk to you about my problems.
Like, it depends on the severity of it, right?
What you
Like,
say?
it depends. Like, if Shorty wilding about some stupid shit, yeah, I'm gonna tell my bros. I'm like, look at this shit right here, and we laugh about it.
You know what the crazy thing is? You actually think like a nigga, and y'all niggas be like, oh yeah, y'all brush shit off. You gotta understand, a female think different. Like, certain shit that don't phase y'all matters to a whole female. Like, like y'all say, bitches is crazy.
This is crazy.
Bitches is crazy. And niggas too.
Yep. I ain't gonna cap like I'm not crazy.
Man,
I could be
these
crazy.
niggas is fucking crazy. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I was dating. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna say dating because I wasn't dating this nigga. I was talking
Little
to
ass
this
breaker.
nigga. He like, remember I told y'all he was like 27 or some shit.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you know, I'm young. Why not date the older person? See, you not naive. You shouldn't be. You old enough, you know. This motherfucker right here. He just doing too much. I don't like a nigga that just like
Up on
be
your
on
ass.
your ass. Like,
I noticed that.
chill out. Like,
This is when
I
girls
know you
become.
like me, but chill out.
No, this is where shit becomes confusing.
Speak on it, brother.
Females hate you not responding, right? However, if you send them a good morning text, I bet you they be like, why the fuck? Let me send this to the group chat. This simp ass nigga keep hitting me up. What do y'all want? What do y'all want?
So you saying they gonna clown you if you send them a good morning text?
They gonna clown you if you on them too much. They gonna hate you if you not on them too much. What do y'all want? Y'all want space or y'all want me to be next
okay?
to you?
Listen,
Both. Both.
like
of
I
them.
was giving you an example. This nigga was doing way too fucking much. I just met dude talking about moving in,
Oh,
getting a
hell
house,
no.
being his wife. I ain't gotta work no more, having his baby.
Some women are down for that though.
I'm not no gold digger type. I'm independent. I don't need your money.
Ooh, I don't need you, boo.
I don't give a fuck if I was. You know, I don't depend on no man for nothing. Like, we in a relationship. You know, you can buy me shit and shit like that, but it still feels good to have your own shit. Like,
Yeah.
I'm on the
I
fence
always
about that
been
though.
independent. I don't depend on no man to do.
I want my wife to do whatever it is she want to do. But
Don't make me no.
it would be
Tom
nice.
White.
It would be nice if I could. She never got to work a day in her life again. And I'm.
But that's for some females. You know, some females can sit in the house and just take care
But
of
you
the
ain't got.
kids.
I was about to say like, she ain't got to work again. She ain't got to worry about no bills. I buy her whatever car she want.
That's nice.
Buy her
but-
whatever clothes she
But
want.
that should be her option.
Look, yeah,
Right.
yeah. And
but
then
she
like,
should still have like something, you know. To
I wouldn't
keep her
condemn her
mind
to the
focused
house.
working.
Yeah, I wouldn't condemn her to the house. I'd be like, oh, surprise her with trips.
Okay, yeah,
Send her
yeah,
to-
yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Send her
that's
places.
dope. That's how it is. Really.
And like, I'm talking about like, even if I'm not going, like, here's 4 tickets for you and your girls to go to. Yeah, maybe not.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Nigga, what? You and your who? Kiss my ass.
But Jack, that's gonna take you a little minute because you know you were. Yeah.
Oh.
I
That's
think you're
dope.
scared of commitment.
Yeah, I think you're scared
Whoa.
of commitment too, bro.
Whoa. Whoa. I feel attacked.
I'm just saying, bro. Every time a woman steps in your life,
There's something wrong with it
every
every time.
time, you find a little
Nobody
thing.
is perfect.
Yeah. You find just one small thing that
Every female's
A
gonna have
flaw.
an attitude
you find a flaw in every girl.
and have some crazy in it. You
And
push her
then,
too
If
far.
we really want to talk about it, and I'm gonna be honest, you regret it later on in life.
I just want these bitches to be my bitches forever.
No, you don't, because
That's
when
your
they want to
problem. You
be,
talking about your bitches, like no bitch is about to date you.
I'm sorry.
plural.
Can we delete that?
yeah, I got you.
No, but yo, listen. I have trust issues, people. Excuse me.
Broke your heart.
Hmm?
Who broke your heart?
My first love broke my heart.
Everybody always talking about first loves.
My first love broke me too. But shit, I'm still here in the game.
I am too.
How old was you when you had first love?
Who?
You.
It was
I was 12.
That shit don't count. I don't think you actually
No.
met your first
Nah,
love.
nah, it
until
wasn't
you,
12.
I was
older
like
and wise.
17. I was 17 and it lasted till I was 20.
Yeah, that's a good age, right? I think that's a good age. Mine did too.
At 17, you
To
wasn't
20.
even mature.
To 20.
20, you not even mature as a man. You don't even know
Talk
what you
about
want.
it.
I mean, this niggas that's 40 that ain't mature though.
True
You
shit.
damn straight living in that mother house.
But you know what? Not everybody know when love is love. Because a lot of people be throwing around the word, I love you. Bitch, you don't love me. You
But
don't
my
know
doggy
me.
style.
Yo, you heard this fool?
What is that?
He said, you just love my doggy style.
Word.
Damn,
But yeah.
let's
Oh,
move
wait.
up a little bit. Niggas didn't see you yet.
Yeah.
This
You
shit-
look like a shadow in a bun.
that
This whole time I've been talking.
yeah, but we need to see who they talking to though.
Grandma,
People need to know who's spelling
In the
this
middle.
fat.
Am I gonna eat all these fries?
I didn't eat mine. I got full. But she coming, guys. Y'all about to see her.
Let me put the top on my barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce trash.
I don't know. That burger was good though.
I know I want another one. I'm hungry. I should have got a monster burger.
You should have.
That's why I'm eating the fries still.
Hungry.
I ain't eat shit today.
This is risk. Oh,
It's still dark.
Turn your brightness up, bro.
bro, what you mean?
Shut the fuck up.
You're having technical
Swipe it
difficulties.
down.